Hey, what's up guys? So welcome back to episode 16.5 of the How to Make a Plant vs Zombie style of game in Unity. And in today's episode, we are actually going to add the finish line, or like at least when the zombies crosses the line, the game ends. This will be a rather very short episode. I'm also trying some new things out. Hopefully you can give me some ideas and suggestions on how to improve the next episode. So yeah, let's get started. So in last episode we actually completed the wave system, alright, and multiple zombies would spawn in at different waves. And in next episode we are actually going to make it so as there are different zombie types. So for instance, the pole vaulter only appears in like wave 1 and 2 and not before that. So that will be the focus of next episode, and hopefully we can also add the lawnmowers in the next episode as well. So it will be a longer video, but today it's going to be quite short. So let's get started. One really easy way of actually accomplishing this would be to put a collider here. Oh wait, actually what's that? Oh, we already have a collider. Alright, and we already have a def manager. Let's see. So I think it's just a matter of implementing it. Yeah, so that's the def manager. Alright, let's actually take this here. So let's go into wave manager, because we're actually going to recycle some specific codes here. Let me just find it first. No wait, it's not this one. Title animation, right. So let's just have a title animation here. So public title animation, and call it def anim. Alright, and this, so instead of died, let's just come here and say def anim dot show title and save it, and then let's go back to Unity. And let it compile. Once it does, I'll be right back. Great. So now let's just, before testing it out, let me just duplicate the title that we did last time. If you didn't actually watch last episode, I strongly recommend you watch it. So we'll just duplicate this, and then let's just write the zombies ate your brain. Alright, save it, and let's find the ending finish line. Let's assign this here. Oh wait, what? Game manager, title animations. Oh, we have two. Okay, I'll just copy this, place it on the actual finish line itself, assign this finish line, and then assign this def title. Alright, or we could technically just have it in the def title itself and then just assign this here, and it should technically work. Let's just test it out. Let's just hit play, and let's just allow us to actually die. Let's just spawn a zombie real quick. Where is it? Wave manager. Oops. Ooh, where is it? Zombie spawner. Spawn pole vaulter. Okay, where is it? Okay, here it is. And let's just wait a little bit. So this is the finish line. Now let's see if it actually triggers the death event. Good, the zombies ate your brain. Amazing. And great. So now let's just make it so that we can stop spawning everything. So once the zombie dies, yeah, so where is it? Yeah, let's just head back to Visual Studio and let's just open the zombie spawner script, zombie manager, sorry. And it's here now. This is the spawn zombie methods. Alright, before that let's just go here and do a delegate public delegate void, public delegate void on def. Alright, and let's just have it as static, public static on def on def. Alright, and then here let's just do this, that invoke. Okay, and in this manager let's just have a public void stop spawning zombies, and here we'll just do stop all the coroutines, and that's about it. And let's just have two more voids here, void start or void awake, at least void awake. Let's just do def manager dot on def plus equals to, let's just subscribe to this event and have it subscribe to the stop spawning zombies, like so. And let's just copy this line and do void on destroy and just unsubscribe it once we actually get destroyed. And hopefully if we go back into Unity and then we try to play the game and allow a zombie to actually eat us, it should technically work. Let's rock and let's just visualize it on the big screen. Alright, so it's coming. Great, so the zombies ate your brain, and now if we let it run a little bit, it should technically not spawn any new zombies. Yeah, great, it doesn't. As you can see, there are no zombies that are spawning, so the game has officially technically stopped. And what we can do right now is we can have the camera pan to this location. So let me just check something real quick. Okay, so actually in the real game, I just actually saw that in the real game the camera position is actually a little bit here, right, like that, and I think it's also a little bit bigger. Let me just check that again real quick, so we can actually animate the pan to the house as well. Give me a small instant. Okay, yeah, so it's actually, sorry, so yeah, it's actually like that, and now it's good. Okay, what happened? So 4.25, and this should technically be just about here or something, right? 2.72. Okay, 2.72, and let's just find the actual panda. It's in game manager, I believe. Game manager. camera pan. Here it is. Let me just check where it actually pans it to. Okay, good. So we actually did an animation to it. Okay, good. So here, and then pan to zombies, and then pan to plants. It takes from this, it goes here. 6.3 to here. It actually should be a little bit here. Oops. Let's just disable canvas real quick. Okay, manager, no. Main camera. So it shouldn't actually start here. Instead, it technically should be here. And this should technically be like that, like so, I believe. Good. Let me just check that again real quick. Plant versus zombies. Okay, so it's about like this. It's not 100% equal, but it's about as close as I can get it to. So 3.9 and this position, and 0.3. So this will remain as minus 0.3, like that. So this is only the thing that pans. And let's just remove this, because that will have to stay like this. So 3.9 minus 0.3. So let's stop previewing. Minus 0.3, and let's just have this here. Oops, sorry. Let's just have this here, paste that like so, and then pan to plants. It comes from here to here. Let's just have it here, paste, and minus 0.3 again. Great. So now it should technically just pan real smooth. Great. And now let's just add another one. Alright, let's just add another clip, animations, and let's just call it pan to house. Pan to house, and paste that here. So this will take from this position. You're just going to reverse it from here to the other side. So from here to about here. Alright, let's save and preview. Great, works. And let's just open the animator panel, and here let's just, what's interval? Okay, and before it exits, I want to make this transition here, and let me just try something real quick. Pan to house. Let me just see if it actually affects it once we are actually exiting the animation. So this goes game manager, and then pan to plant, and now it exits, and then pan to house. Okay, we actually forgot to pan to house. House exit time. Okay, let's just see if this does anything. Let's restart the game. So pan to zombies, pan to plants, and then pan to house. Great, it works. And let's just save that and go back into the Visual Studio, and let's just copy this and rename it to end match, and here it's going to be pan to house instead. Obviously you could technically just use a string variable, have it here, and have it as a constant or something that you can change in the editor, but let's just have it here for now. We can always just change it back later on. So now let's just do this subscribe and unsubscribe. So this all here, and let's just have it as false because the game technically ended. Void awake. Let's just do def manager dot on def plus equals to and match void on destroy def manager dot on def minus equals to and match. Alright, and let's see if this works. And oops, sorry, I forgot to enable the canvas. Great. So let's just pick a few plants. It doesn't matter because we're actually going to die. Alright, let it come. Hopefully, okay, quick. Hopefully this works. The zombies are coming. A few more. Zombies ate your brain and it pans here and you lose. Great. And one little thing that we'll need to add is here. Let's go back to the def manager and let's just have a boolean public bool has lost. Alright, and let's just come here and has lost equals to false equals to true. Good. And let's also just do a singleton of this class, public static def manager instance save that game manager. So when we are actually starting the game, start match, we'll do def manager dot instance dot has lost equals to false. Alright, def manager equals to true. Good. So now this will prevent the def from being called multiple times. Let's say 10 zombies pass the line at the exact same time, so only one time it will be called, which is good. So that's it for today's episode. A very short one, 20 minutes. And yeah, so if you guys have any suggestions or anything that you want to add or ask, please feel free to leave to put them in the comment below down section. Sorry. And don't forget to leave a like, subscribe if you have not already. Also do check out the previous episodes and the playlist. And yeah, so thank you guys for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye.